Gunmen invaded and robbed nightclub in St. Elizabeth. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 7 gunmen invaded a nightclub in Bellevue District, St. Elizabeth on Wednesday night, robbing patrons and stealing items. There were no reports of anyone being seriously injured during the incident, the police have stated, but at least one of the patrons was gun-butted and had to seek medical attention. Reports reaching Links 007 TV News are that at around 1:15 a.m., the group of 7 armed men entered the business establishment and demanded cash. They reportedly robbed the owner of 5 poker boxes valued at approximately $3 million and a quantity of assorted liquor. The value of the liquor has not yet been ascertained. It is further reported that 6 patrons who were inside the business establishment were robbed of cash and their cell phones. One of the patrons was reportedly gun-butted by one of the robbers, resulted in him receiving a wound to his head. The men reportedly fired several shots before leaving in a waiting motor car, the police have stated. In a video posted to social media, a female could be seen removing an item of furniture from the outside of the business establishment, and while doing so, several men invaded the premises, one of which accosted the female. In the meantime, the police are appealing to the public for information to arrest those responsible. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.